Hello friends, myself Dr.K.B.Sangve, Associate Professor in Department of Zoology, Brijlal Biyani Science College, affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amaravati University, Amaravati. For the semester 3, the topic which comes under the unit number 3 are aves and mammals. Today we will discuss about the class aves. Today's learning objectives are introduction about the class aves, general characters of class aves, type study, pigeon, its classification, distribution, habit and habitat, and the external characters. Introduction. The body of bird is covered by feathers. The bird possesses wings which help in flying. The study of bird is termed as ornithology. It is a Greek word, ornis means bird, and a Latin word aves means bird. The study of bird egg is called as oology. In general characters, the birds are warm-blooded vertebrates with an exoskeleton of feathers. The forelimbs are modified into wings which bearing 3 clawless digits and provided with feathers for flight. The hind limbs are adapted for walking, perching and swimming. No skin glands except the oil glands on the tail. The bones forming the skeleton are spongy, light in weight, containing air cavities. Air sacs has peculiar characteristics. They are present around the lungs. Classification: phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, superclass Tetrapoda, class Aves, subclass Neognathi, order Columbiformis, type Columba livia. Blue rock pigeon. It is called as blue rock pigeon. Distribution. Pigeons are seen almost throughout the world. Blue rock pigeons are widely distributed in Asia, Europe and North Africa. Pigeons are quite familiar birds that we see every day in our life. More than 500 species of pigeons have been described. About 10 species of pigeons are found in India. One bird comes under the pigeon, green pigeon. It is a state bird of Maharashtra. Habitat: it is nothing but the natural home of the bird. The pigeons lives in fissure and holes of the rocks, forts, temples, old buildings, multi-story buildings. It is found on the rolling shutters of the shops and inside the holes of the wells. They never nest on trees. They are seen in thousands in cities like Mumbai, Delhi and other metro cities. Habitat means its daily life. Nature: pigeons are harmless, gentle birds. They are the symbol of peace and harmony and happiness. Food and feeding. The food of pigeon is grains, pulses, fruits and seeds of some grasses. Sometimes the pigeons eat insects. Locomotion. In case of pigeon, the locomotion is bipedal. The pigeons never sing. They call resembles like guturgum, guturgum. Family life. Pigeon leads a monogamous life. The male and female parents have very fond of each other and they always remain together. Economic importance. Some trained pigeons are used as a messenger during love and war. Columba livia. External characters. The body of the pigeon is broadly studied into 3 categories: shape, size, coloration, division of the body, appendages. The shape of the pigeon is compact, boat shape, streamline, adapted for fast flight. Its body measures about 33 cm in length. The color is glistening metallic green and purple sheen on the upper breast around the neck. The posterior region is ash color. There are 2 prominent black bars on the wings. Division of the body. The body is divided into four parts: head, neck, trunk and tail. The head comprises beak, nostril, eyes and auditory aperture. Beak on the head at the anterior tip, beak is present. It is formed by two jaws, upper jaws and lower jaws. They are without teeth and the jaws are covered by sheath called as rhampotheca. Nostrils, these are the openings of respiratory systems. On the top of the beak near the nostrils, a whitish structure is present called as cirri. The function is not known. Eyes, a pair of large eyes are present on the head. These eyes are covered by eyelids and a nictitating membrane. The eyelids are without eyebrows. Below the eyes, ears are present and these ears are always covered with membrane and tympanic membrane, and these membranes they are covered by feathers. So in this picture we study the external morphology of pigeon. This is the head of the pigeon, which comprises head, neck, eyes, cirri and beak. The neck, generally in males, it is more shiny, glistening structure. The middle part of the body is trunk. Anterior trunk is called as thorax. Posterior trunk is called as abdomen. From the posterior thorax, abdomen, the wings they are attached, and the anterior part of the thorax, anterior part of the trunk thorax, the wings are attached. The last part of the body of the pigeon is called as tail, and above the tail a gland is present called as urophageal gland, which contains oil. These oils used by these birds and it spread throughout the wings to make it clean and beautiful. Body of the pigeon is divided into neck, trunk and tail. Neck, it is a cylindrical and very flexible structure to balance the body. Trunk, it is divided into abdomen and thorax. From thorax, wings are there, and from the abdomen the legs are arises. Tail, tail is the anal part of the body. It is a small stumpy conical projections. It is provided with a preen gland or oil gland. Appendages, one pair of wings and one pair of legs. Wings, they are nothing but a two modified forelimbs, which are the chief organ of flight. Legs, the hind legs or hind limbs, they are arises somewhat anteriorly from the abdomen. Each leg is made up of three parts: thigh, shank and foot. The foot bears four long claw digits. One is called as hallux, which is directed backward. In case of mammal, it is called as thumb. Feet are well adapted for perching, and the long toes, which are used to pick up the food and to grab the twigs. This is the external morphology of pigeon, Columba livia. Thanks for watching. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.